Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google AdSense account for YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first thing that you should have is that you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts videos in the last 90 days. So those are the requirements. Then after that, you can now proceed to the next step, which is to go into your monetization tab on your YouTube studio. And from here, you can see that you can now proceed to the step 1, 2, and 3 once you have those requirements fulfilled. So the first step would be to review partner program terms. And then the step 2 is this is where you will be creating your AdSense account for your YouTube channel. So once you have that, then all you have to do is basically just click on the button there. That will take you to the next step, or to the sign up page for your Google AdSense account. And as in my case, I have already linked my AdSense account right here, so I don't have that. But in your case, you should have it right here if you don't have that one yet. Once you click on that, then this should pop up right here. This would be the Google AdSense sign up form. So you would need to provide your website, your email address, and the next thing is that I want to suggest that you click on the yes option right here. Send me a customized help and performance suggestion, because I think it would be beneficial for you. So I'm assuming that you are a beginner since you are watching this video. So yeah, that would be a helpful one. So Google AdSense would give you tips. So this is basically it on how you can sign up for your Google AdSense account right here. And all you have to do after this is just follow the next steps. After this form right here, this is where you'll be creating your AdSense account. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can create a Google AdSense account for YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.